Sayamnya.
Sayamnya. Oh, sayamnya. Oh, okay.
Hello guys, welcome to RAPPatTRAVEL and welcome to another video where we are in Chinatown in Sandton. Let's go and explore. Let's go and have a look and see what they've got to offer here. And yes guys, on this channel we try to keep everything real and raw, so there's no music. We keep it as real as we can. I see there's also quite a few restaurants here. Yeah, they call it Rivonia Central now. There's a name.
What a lot. Rivonia.
We'll go and explore inside now. Hello. Look behind you.
Thank you.
I think we need to go inside. There's nothing more down there. I think this is the entrance.
Rivonia.
There's all kinds of shops here.
Yes.
Not only supermarkets or
So everything,
restaurants.
suitcase,
Yes.
all kinds. A lot, Rivonia. Oh, nice.
African herbs. Oh, we need to go down that side.
我已经在这儿呢，我已经在这儿呢。
在这边。Hey, here's a tuk-tuk. Let's go to that side. Hello.
This is 很少的饭。
Taste of India.
Makan tu.
Tachos. That's a problem.
Okay. I want to find out what is here. Like what?
No, this is noodle.
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 Coffee.
Oh, okay. What which one nice? What which one nice?
有红烧牛肉面。
We've got a language barrier here.
And all the menu here. I like this one. It's very nice.
现在 noodle.
Yeah, this one is very tasty. And this also. What do you call this?
Noodles. 现在有 this 都在玩。
Oh,
看
this is my country. They call Patango. And oh, okay, this is Salapao. And this for really good shape. So we have a lot. This one looks so yummy. That ones. And only desserts. And then all the soup here. And this I think this looks like a tofu. This is a noodle. Yeah, the noodle. Okay. So look, this noodle looks like it's nice. Oh, this also fried noodle. Huh. And all the that's good. That's good. Okay.
Okay guys, so we have decided to come and eat something here.
These are all the desserts. And these are all the
Okay, I'm leaving it up to my wife.
I will order this. Look, this look good.
I don't know, I just look at the picture.
And
I don't understand Chinese. Oh wait, there's English. Which I still don't understand.
I got pan frequency.
Yeah, but there's no prices.
We could have found out the pie now. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, yourself?
Okay.
Oh, you can speak English. That's good.
I just want to find out from you here. This, what is it? This noodle,
This one is pork meat inside.
Pork.
Yeah.
I want to know how much for this for one.
One plate.
Yeah.
130.
Dumpling.
Dumpling 95.
95. Okay. It's very
What do they call this one? We don't know. We just see.
not quite sure. I will
We order from the picture.
It's not quite sure for.
But it's pork.
Yeah.
The meat is pork.
Yeah, it's a pork. It's very fine pork set. But for two people, actually it's very delicious. The first bite. So far look quite yummy. This one look like a chili, but I'm not quite sure it's a bit hot.
Oh, here's the dumplings.
Oh, this. And this one is chili.
Yes, cheese.
Okay. What do you call this one?
Zayamnya.
Chai.
Zayamnya.
Sayamnya. Oh, sayamnya. Oh, okay. Okay. Sayamnya. Okay. I'm just gonna put some chili, see how it goes. But I'm not quite gonna be hot. But let's just try. So yeah. So let's see if it work out. So we can yummy. Actually, this is for two people.
Yeah, it's enough for two people.
Yeah, so that I think for one person, but we can eat for two people. It could be a lot of food. So, yeah. Let's see how it tastes. after I put this dishwasher, it tastes good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it's not hot.
Let's try the rest of the stuff.
It's steaming. So you forget it's steaming.
Okay guys, after I burnt my mouth with one of the dumplings, we've paid for the dumplings 90 rand,
95.
95 rand, and 85 for the noodles.
No, the noodle, 80.
80 rand, okay. So that's the price for the two dishes, and then we've got our toasted water here, 20 rand. So yeah, it's a decent price for two people, and it's a lot of food. Let's dig into this again. Nice chili sauce. Okay, here we go. It's quite a lot of food, so there is a doggy bag for the dumplings. We are taking that with. And then we're out of here. But the food is quite nice, I must say. It's a lot of food for two people. We're going to finish this quickly, and then we're out of here. We'll see you guys now. Okay guys, after that nice meal, we are quite stuffed on this side. Excuse me. So yeah, it was quite a nice meal, quite generous portions. Like I said, we are quite stuffed on this side. So yeah, we would recommend this place. Price is good, place is very clean. So, till next time, we will see you in the next video. Keep safe, remember to subscribe, click the like button, and we will see you in the next video.